Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aditya. Today we will going to learn to how to use conditional formatting in Oracle Apex using BA Publisher. Actually, conditional formatting is a very beautiful feature which provided by BA Publisher. BA Publisher support the usage of simple if statement as well as more complex choice expression. Choice mean in a programming language, choice mean switch case. In the conditional formatting that you specify can be XSL or XSLFO code, or you can specify actual RTF checks such as table or data. For example, you can specify that if reported number reach a certain threshold, they are displayed shaded in a word, or you can use the feature to hide table, column, rows depending on the incoming XML data. So let's start. We would create XML file which we in our example would start. This is the description. So guys, let's start. Going to create. I'm creating query. I'm creating XML file. I'm pressing on report query. Create. I'm assigning name CF condition formatting. Assign view as of inline. Guys, on BA Publisher, I'm creating third part of BA Publisher video. If you have any query, please see my previous video on BA Publisher. So let's start. I'm pressing paste, validation, next, download, create query, create. Now I'm going to desktop for creating RTF, CF, opening, MS file. I'm going to be a publisher tab, unloading data, sample XML, CF, open, data loaded successfully. Okay. Now I'm going to create wizard. Next, I'm scanning all the column. Next, finish. While I'm pressing on PDF, I'm creating as a CF, RTF. You can see this is my data coming from XML file. Okay, so I'm assigning conditional formatting on the CR table, CR field. So let's start CR quantity in which you want. I'm creating. You can see a conditional formatting. I'm pressing conditional formatting. Okay, press on any field on conditional formatting. You can see condition 1 data field, on which field you want to create a condition for a condition, and want to creation on CR creditor condition 1, greater than 500, text, press on format, select background color. We can select background color, we can select font color, we can select font style, and bold, color select, okay, okay. So once you preview, press on PDF for view. You can see whose a field have greater than 500 amount, that condition formatting apply on that field, on that amount. So I'm assigning another, I'm assigning quantity, condition formatting, I'm assigning quantity, and to less than 3. I'm assigning background, I'm assigning change background color, I'm assigning background color, let me be gray, okay, okay, okay. I'm assigning, now viewing PDF file. You can say condition formatting applied on this quantity. For quantity, I'm closing this field. Right now I'm assigning, first now we would create XML file, then we upload in MS Word, then we apply condition formatting, and now we are done some any field, running field, okay guys. If you double click double click double click on a field, you can also advance, you can check this is a formatting which auto generator. You can also create from you can also create it. You can I'm suggest you a link in which you study material in which you can read syntax, this syntax, okay. Now I'm sending running total, and generated a press on field. You can see calculation, calculate the quantity, sum, quantity. You can see here, insert, this is the wrong place, and here, and here I'm assigning here quantity, sum, insert. Let's see PDF. You can see total has been added in bottom, running total, signing caption, preview. You can see where you can bold, you can bold amount, you can you can bold, you can change formatting, background color, font color, you can hide column, you can use choice, and if you can learn how to create custom, you can create your own, use if then else choice, all material I will you all material would be learn from here. I would assign this link in my video description. So where now or RTF file. Now I'm saving this RTF file. Now I'm creating this upload in my Apex. Approach layout, create RTF, CF, choose file, RTF, open, create, CF file has been uploaded. Now I'm assigning this query, CF, and assigning query. Now I'm assigning query to layout, assigning query to my layout, apply changes, CF. I'm just copy this, copy. BA publisher. I'm just guys, I'm just pasting this CF request. If I'm pressing save. If you have any confusion, please watch my previous video on BA Publisher and press report view button. You can see all formatting has been shown in report. Thank you guys. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please take care of yourself. I'm Ali Iqbal with you guys, you vibes. Thank you. Take care.